How to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. If you'd like to schedule a certain meeting on Microsoft Teams, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Microsoft Teams application. And just go to the Meet icon on the left hand side first. Once you're there on the Meet icon, you will see this type of interface. What you have to do from here is you can see the option called Schedule a Meeting. So we don't want to create one right away or join one right away. In fact, we want to just schedule it. So click on Schedule a Meeting option there. You can add a title for the meeting right here. And once you've basically added the title, you can go ahead and then enter the name or the email or phone number. You can choose the date when you would like to schedule. Let's say I want it for tomorrow. I'll select that. I'll choose a certain time right here in the morning, and I can choose the end time as well. Once done, I can just go ahead and select 30 minutes or I can select all day. What I can do is I can set this to does not repeat or I can set a given frequency of the repetition. I can add a location and add details for the meeting. Who can bypass the lobby? I can select everyone or people who were invited, so you'll have to give them a link. Who can present? If you only want yourself to be the presenter, you can select that. Click the save option, and the invitation link will also be created. So you can see invitation preview. Just copy the invitation link, and the next time, if you give that link, people on the scheduled date will be able to go ahead and join that meeting. This way you'll be able to schedule a meeting in Teams. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.